Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday. It is the 28th of May, but most importantly, it is the last day of school. Woo! This is my final video of this school year. Say hi, Georgia Mai. My good things for today, I just shared. It's the last day of school. This is my final video of the year, and the outsiders is also one of my good things. I have some good things to share from you guys from yesterday's attendance form. Early mornings, fairy lights, the outsiders, paper squishy. No idea what paper squishy is. What's paper squishy?
You make a squishy out of paper.
Okay. Phineas and Ferb, Strawberry Shortcake, Tom and Jerry, Peppa Pig, Scooby-Doo, Anime, Teachers. Thank you. Google Meet Glow Parties, Pepero Game, Colored Lead, Graduating 8th Grade, Cookie Dough, Coffee Cookies, Nutella Cookies, Brazilian Limeade. So those are your guys' good things from yesterday. I'm not even sending out an attendance form for today. Ben Clark, thank you. I've enjoyed having you in my class as well. I want everybody to have a fantastic summer. Those of you from my core class, actually, you know what? I'll send out the link to AVID kids as well. So anybody who's seeing this video today, if you want to watch The Outsiders with my core kids and other kids, starting at 9:30 today, you can show up at that Google Meet, and you can even socialize with others while you're watching it in the chat room. Just make sure that you're not doing anything that's not school appropriate, because I will be monitoring that. Okay, with that, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Have a fantastic summer. I look forward to maybe actually seeing you guys' faces next school year. Bye-bye.